Hey Sedge, I need to cut this down, but what would be the best way to cut this on the Capex? I feel like
So that's
short.
where you want to cut it. Oh,
Yep.
So you're going to do a custom domino.
Yep.
All right. Well, like we always say with the Capex, see where it says don't put your hands in? And we always like to use a hold down. And I've actually seen people try to do this, look, and make a cut just like that. That is a recipe, as I call, for disaster. It's not if it's gonna happen, it's when it's gonna get you. Okay, so it's just wicked simple. Look, make yourself a carrier. Okay, that's the right size for this domino. You got your line right there, you put it up with a laser just like this. Okay, you set it right up, you lock it in, it is wicked safe. Now check this out, because this is gonna be a very small piece, always wait for the machine to come down from speed. Oh. And there you go.
Awesome.
Pretty easy.
That'll do.